Good morning. I will tell you about myself. Hi, my name is Masayu Paradina. You can call me Masayu. Now I am 15 years old. Currently, I live in Karangsari. Now I am studying at SMK Sari Karawang. My major in pharmacy because my brother told me to choose pharmacy. My hobby is watching horror movies. Yes, horror movies. I like that because watching horror movies is fun. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. See you and bye-bye. Photos for today is don't let your fear decide your future.